So some of you guys will be whining a little bit. Oh, you should have left it with open headers. Well, you can't drive it today with open headers. It's a little too loud. But I got a guy, and he puts exhaust on. Not a full exhaust, just a half exhaust. Some nice Hooker Aero Chamber mufflers, 2.5-inch duals, and it's just got such a sweet sound to it now. I just love it.